Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to deactivate a Messenger account. To start, open the Messenger app in your mobile device. Here, tap on the three horizontal lines in your left corner. Now, tap on the settings icon. Scroll down and select Account Settings. This will direct you to your Facebook account. Here, open Account Settings. Tap on Personal Information. Now select Manage Account. Then tap on the Deactivate option right next to the account. Here, enter your password. Tap Continue. Now select reasons of your preferences. Again, tap Continue. Here, you can select days for automatically reactivity of your account. Finally, tap on Deactivate My Account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and share.